free also to put in the comment section if you have any more addition. So, do you normally feel like you are not good enough? Or do you normally feel like maybe you should have looked like someone else other than yourself? Or everything about you feels like you don't fit in, this is not who you're supposed to be? Or do you avoid association with people because you feel like you don't belong there, that they have more perfect body or more perfect attitude better than you? Listen, it is all in the mind. I am telling you, I may not be the most beautiful girl on the planet Earth, but I feel like I am the most beautiful girl in this planet Earth. I may not be the best shaped girl that you have ever seen, but I'm telling you, I feel like I have the best body ever. So I am gonna give you these tips that will help you drop all those negative feelings. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be with you today talking about how to define your beauty. This is the continuation of the 3 video series that I am giving out on how to define your beauty. In the previous video, I talked about how to define your beauty, my own experience. In today's video, I am gonna be giving you 5 practical ways you can adopt in your everyday life that will help you to define your beauty. So let's get right into it. These are the steps that I took to overcome this negativity and stop looking for anybody's validation. Number 1, build your mind. The mind is one of the most powerful parts of our being. It is the seat of consciousness and the essence of our being. Without our mind, we cannot be considered meaningfully alive. Basically, the mind controls our being in that we act out what our mind conceives. This is why before anyone can convince you to do something, either consciously or unconsciously or directly or indirectly, they need to work your mind to be able to achieve their goal, which we refer to as manipulation. If you don't build your mind, it is very easy for you to lose your self-worth. Therefore, if you lose your self-worth, you will be looking for validation from someone else. The impact of whatever action each and every one of us takes comes from the frequency of boost from the mind energy. This is what makes it possible for people to feel fearful because of the news they hear, brokenness, feel uncomfortable in their body because of what they feel perfect body should look like, or what they see other people do to make them look like what the feel perfect body should look like. Look, while actual mind control belongs to the realm which is unseen, or you can call it science fiction, you can work to build your mind and improve your mindset. This is why Proverbs 4:23 said, "Guard your heart with all diligence, for from it flows the issues of life." One of the ways I do build my mind is through affirmation. If you want a copy of my free personal affirmation guide, click the link below. Start on time with your young ones to teach them how to be in control of their mind. The mind game is exponentially growing with AI, so be alert, build your mind, and have a level of control over your action. Number 2, appreciation. Do you know that lack of self-appreciation is one of the major causes of narcissism? You may be wondering how can, because they seem to appear like they have very high self-esteem, but they don't. Because they are dependent on external factors to validate and appreciate themselves, such as need for praise, compliments, and recognitions. When they don't get this, they begin to erode. They are oftentimes bullies to anyone that tends to divert attention from them, especially when they are more superior. Self-appreciation is not self-esteem, nor self-confidence, nor pride. It is the ability to show gratitude to oneself. The power of appreciation is the key to vibrant life. For example, you can be thankful for small skills or abilities you have, even if they are not perfect. Instead of finding fault of why you don't like any part of your body, appreciate them, see the beauty in them, and love it, because there are some people who are dying to have exactly what you have. The ability to understand that no one is perfectly perfect and appreciate your perfectly imperfect self helps you to be more confident, positive, and most of all, at peace with yourself. Our different qualities, be it looks, character, body type, etc., makes us special. No one is better than the other. You just have to harness your own quality, love it, and put it to work. To develop healthy high self-esteem, you need to learn self-appreciation because this affects people of all ages. Talking to myself in the mirror was and is still my all-time self-appreciation tool. I happened to develop this attitude as a very young girl when I was facing lots of slandering, different kinds of it, from body parts to even my unique persona that should be admired. I talked about it in the first series, and I turned it into positivity, and I would look at them and I tell myself, your eyes is beautiful, it's gorgeous, I love how big they are, my mouth is beautiful, I love the way I smile, and I will smile to myself at the mirror and I feel totally happy about myself. Gosh, I was even talking to the walls and our standing fan, not only the mirror. I have no idea what the hell I was doing. I really don't know where the strength came from. Thank God it came in, but it really did pay off to this adult me. It was really a powerful tool that helped me to be appreciative of every part of my body. 3. Practice self-love. You really need to love yourself so that other people can love you. Most people with unhappy childhood, where parents or other significant people such as teachers or even their senior were extremely critical, oftentimes lacks self-love. Other factors that may contribute to lack of self-love can be extreme poverty, ongoing stressful lives such as an abusive relationship, critical medical condition, etc. Depending on individual mind strength, some people can work on building their self-love themselves, while others may need to seek help. Whichever approach you choose that suits you, you must surround yourself with positive-minded people with aura of love that will be capable to help you regain your self-love. Showing other people love the way I want to be loved is my major way of practicing self-love. That way, the universe spreads the antenna for me and fill my existence with people of like mind. Anyone who is toxic and incapable of love loses me straight away. Scheduling fun events now and then is another way I boost my self-love. More ways you can actually show yourself self-love and practice loving yourself is by just taking the mirror practice as well. Sometimes I come back home, I go to the mirror, I will just be dancing, appreciating myself, appreciating the work of the creator on my body. 4. Acceptance. Accept yourself before others can accept you. People that know me knows that when they tell me you are beautiful, my answer is I know that. And some of them find it rude. But that's not rude. That is me accepting who I am. I accept what I can't change with open mind and keep my thought process in the here and now. I acknowledge my limits and my imperfections, continuously working the ones I can change to be better and avoid the ones my threshold can't withhold. I also accept my mistakes and understand my emotions and continuously learn to deal with criticism with better energy. Most of all, I forgive myself for my faults and I keep pushing. To all my beautiful ladies in the house, hear this. A man that loves you, if they see what they want, there is nothing like sex assessment. There is nothing like age assessment. There is nothing like height and strength assessment. If they see the quality they are looking for in a girl, believe me, the tall syndrome, the big fat syndrome, the age syndrome, everything will just out the window because that is what they want. You can read the intention of most men that tell you you look beautiful, because they know that it's not true what they are saying. They just want to lure you. They just want your body. You know, if you want to give them your body, feel free to give them your body. But you need to accept yourself doing it, not because of the validation they give you. Another point is training yourself or your children to block negative comments. Negative comments is something that you will definitely face in life. There is no way you will live this life and everybody 100% is gonna like you. No way. There must be somebody that will have something negative to say about you, either about your body or about your eyes or about. So just get ready and learn how to block negative comments. And this starts with building your mind. If you're able to learn the other habits that I talk about, then you will be able to block negative comments, because you will obviously know that what they are saying is not you. You know who you are. Nobody is gonna tell you who you are. So when you know and understand who you are, negative comments cannot just break you easily. I understand that People's strength differs. I understand that there are people that have very strong mindset. Like myself, I have a very strong mindset. It is very hard for somebody to use their mouth to break me, because I may not retaliate back, but it is very hard for words to break me, because I know who I am. I know what I am made of. I know my worth. So I cannot let your own negative feelings come into my walls and break me down. So you really need to learn how to block negative comments. People came from different families, people came from different backgrounds, and they will have different understanding in this lifestyle. And as the world is going higher, people are becoming more and more mean. People are losing empathy. People are losing love. So if you just let your guard down, they will use their own negativity to break you down and make you feel useless. So you don't let that happen to you. Learn to block negative comments. Internet is not helping this issue. It's easy for people to throw negative comments on people without even caring anything in the world, the damages they are doing in people's heart. So you need to build yourself. And for those who have young children, please do try as much as possible to help your children to understand these things. If you too, you are having these challenges as a young mother, as an adult, please, you can still change the influences, because as an adult, low self-worth, not understanding your beauty can lead you into so many kind of challenges that you will not come out from. You start loving your body when you love yourself, and believe me, when you love yourself, you will just see it's a magnet. It's law of attraction. When you love your body, the attraction that you have for yourself will attract love to you. If you say you are ugly, the law of attraction will attract people to be seeing ugly in you. If you say you are beautiful and you see yourself truly beautiful from inside out, when people look at you, they will see the beauty resonate inside of you. That truly happens, because by the time I accepted my nose, my eyes, my mouth, nobody ever told me that they are big, but people kept seeing the beauty in them just the way I was seeing it. So this is really absolutely important, guys. You need to build your self-worth. You need to learn to define your beauty, because you are beautiful depends on you. If you say you are beautiful and you believe it and it comes truly out of you, then people around you will see the beauty in you. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the like button. Thank you so much, and let me know what you think about this kind of videos. Love you. Bye.